In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Rythm Music Bot for your Discord server. First, you want to go to rhythmbot.co, so you get to this page. Now you want to hit Add to Discord, this red button in the top right. Click that. As you can see here, it now opens the Discord app website. And now you can choose a server you want. I'll choose how to global server. You need admin powers on this on the server, otherwise you wouldn't be able to add a bot. Click continue. Confirm that you want to grant him the following permissions. You don't even need to give him administrator powers, so I'll uncheck that. Hit authorize. Now hit I'm not a robot. It's good. Now you can go over to your website, or your Discord server, I should say. And as you can see here, RhythmBot is online and joined the server. It's already functional and you can already use it. But what we want to do now is create an extra text channel and call it music bot commands and hit create channel. And now we want to go back to the Rythm website, hit on features and commands, scroll down till you see all these commands that the bot is able to use. Copy them all, go back to your text channel, paste that in here, and now you can pin this pin message so that whenever someone new joins and wants to know how to use the bot, they can just click the pinned messages and see all the commands that the bot is capable of doing. We can now join a voice channel. And I chose this copyright song so that we can listen to it. Click on the music bot commands, enter exclamation point play, and paste in the link. And as you can see, the bot played the song. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.